Hey guys, today I've got a quick review of these VMstr vacuum sealed travel bags. This does come with multiple, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So it comes with a ton of these, which is awesome. And then my favorite feature here is that the pump itself is USB. So you never have to worry if your pump's gonna run out of batteries or anything like that. Additionally, the USB is USB-A or USB-C, which is super handy. You never have to worry about having the wrong power brick. So let's go ahead and plug in our pump right here, and then I'll show you how to use this thing. So we've got a big pile of clothes here. It's taking up a lot of space. I want to put these into this bag and seal it so that they take up less space. So each bag just kind of opens up here, stick in your clothes, just like that. And then each bag has almost like a zip lock across the top. So I'm gonna go ahead and seal that. Okay, and now you can see I've got a big bag of air, and if I push on it, air is coming out of the little vacuum hole. I'll rotate it around so you can see that better. Each bag has a little cap right here, so you just wanna take that off and then you're ready to use the vacuum. So super simple, just has a button on it to start and stop it. So let's put this over the top right here and watch this bag get smaller. I probably should have gotten most of the air out first, so it didn't have to get all that extra air out, but you can see that it is moving. And each bag has nice instructions on here on how to actually use it, so that's nice too. So this is starting to get very tight, but I still want to leave it for a little longer to get every single little bit of air out so that it compresses this as much as possible. Basically as much as it could be compressed, even if we wanted to do it more. You should hear the pump start to make a different noise once it's really complete, but yeah, I mean, that's starting to get very, very compressed. Take a look at that, especially the back side. That is crazy. It's basically like a hard pillow now. So right about there is probably finished, and then you go ahead and you take this off and put your cap on. Hard to do with one hand, but that's how you do it, guys. An awesome little way to save space while traveling, and it's so small you can take it with you wherever you want. And when you stop it, it doesn't leak air because it's got a tight gasket around there. So very nice, definitely check it out.